Equipment demonstration for forging bucket keys.
Hongjie bucket teeth manufacturing line starts from material cutting step. It sends the cut raw materials to the conveyor belt, waiting for heating. The heating furnace heats the raw materials to a fixed temperature and sent to the roll forging machine. The roller forging machine forges the heated steel billet into a rough shape. Electric screw press compacts pre-forged steel billets. Then carry out precision forging. Adding graphite at this time can avoid adhesion. Use a hydraulic press to trim the edges according to the product mold. Finally, punching and marking. In addition to the above equipment, you can also choose robot assistance. If you are interested in these devices, please contact our professional team.